garden with our main ingredient, basil. And we're just gonna cut a couple. These guys are nice and ready. You can also buy it from the grocery store, but this is honestly more economical. All right, let's get started. Okay, I've already got some washed here, so this is what we're going to use. And the basil is the main ingredient of the pesto, along with some others. You can use pesto on your pizza, in your pasta, or even just a piece of toast because it tastes so good. All right, so once we have our main ingredient, you can use a blender or magic bullet, whatever you have. The original way is with a mortar and pestle, although I think that would take a lot of work. So, next ingredient, olive oil. It's kind of a guessing game with cooking, I find. Maybe 3 things around, but we're gonna keep testing. So blend a little bit, test a little bit. Next, you're gonna need Parmesan. All right, the next ingredient is pine nuts, but you could substitute pine nuts with some other type of nut. I've used pecans before. And garlic, of course, for the flavor. All right, let's give it the first shot. So, clearly there's not a lot of enough liquid, so we're just gonna keep adding some olive oil. Pesto does take a lot of olive oil. All right, so now that we have kind of a little bit more of a saucy mixture, we're gonna take our spoon and we're gonna test it because you need to see what it's missing. All right, it's not quite mixed enough, so we're gonna add some more of everything, I think. A little bit of olive oil, no more basil leaves, no more basil. Some more pine nuts. Pine nuts are good for the flavor. And some more Parmesan. And don't forget some salt and pepper. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. This is the fun thing about basil. It's kind of just a guess. And it depends. You just keep making it until you like it. If you are need to give somebody a gift, maybe your neighbor, put it in a cute little mason jar. Make sure that you wash the jar first though. Make sure it's clean. You'll see the consistency is like not quite like a sauce, but a little bit chunkier, and top it with a little bit of olive oil. Takes kind of a lot of olive oil.